Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is five of the following is not a characteristic of a jobs order costing system. Option A, it accumulated cost of each department with the factory. Option B, it provides a separate record for the cost of each quantity of product that passes through the factory. Option C, it is the best suited industries that manufactures customer good. Option D, it uses only 1 week work in process accounts. The correct answer of the question is option A, it accumulated cost for each department with the in the factory. So that the answer of the question. If you have any questions to ask, there are ask sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.